guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bree. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, we are going to be testing out a bunch of new products that I found at Walmart. I was recently in Walmart and just decided to go down the makeup aisles, and I found a lot of new fun things to try. I have a lot of new things from L'Oreal, the new Bronze Please, their little lip glosses, a body luminizer, and then some other products as well. Like these Coty Airspun highlighters. What? Who knew that they were coming out with highlighters? Because I sure didn't. If you guys want to see me test out these products, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so the first new product that I have today is the L'Oreal Bronze Please. I got the lightest shade that they have in 01. This looks so beautiful. Like, look at the pattern on this. So pretty, so summertime. This thing is absolutely huge. This bronzer will probably last you forever. You'll probably never hit pan on this thing. This thing is like almost as big as my head. Alright, so I'm just going to take the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH05 brush. Just looks like this. I'm going to bronze up my face. Get my mirror in front of me here. Oh, and by the way, I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder on. That's just because I'm also in the middle of filming another video as well, which may or may not be up before this one, but it is a foundation review and wear test on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. And it's honestly, not gonna lie, it's pretty good, you guys. This bronzer is honestly so beautiful. It just is giving me this nice, healthy bronze look. Not bad. Not bad at all. And the next product that I have is not a new one by any means, but apparently they did reformulate this blush. This is the Milani Luminoso blush that everybody raves about. I know Jaclyn Hill, this is her favorite blush. So they apparently, a while back, they reformulated it into a new formula, and now this one is like the original one. I don't know what the original formula was like before they reformulated it again, but we're gonna try this out. So it looks super peachy and luminous, so it looks right up my alley. I'm just going to take a JH06 brush from Morphe. Do any of you guys really like putting blush like right across the like center of your face, just to give it that more natural sunburnt, sun-kissed look? Because honestly, I've been really into that lately. Just makes me look like I've been out in the sun for a hot minute. And this blush is gorgeous. And not that I had any doubts that it wouldn't be gorgeous, because I know a lot of people love it, but experiencing it firsthand, it's a good blush. And next up, I was really surprised about these. I was just walking through the makeup section in Walmart, and I turned around and I saw these Coty Airspun Loose Face Highlighters, and I was really shocked. If you guys don't know, you probably don't know because I haven't talked about it really on my channel, but the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder is one of my holy grail powders. This is an amazing powder. It's so finely milled and just makes your skin look so smooth. I'm wearing it today and I honestly love this brand so much. So I was pleasantly surprised when I saw that these three highlighters, They only have 3, I believe. There is the lightest one, which is called Snow Much Ice. The middle of the range one, which is like a pinky one, called Pink Me Up. And then they have a deeper one that's called Glow for Gold. Okay, so first I'm going to take this, the lightest one, which is Snow Much Ice. It actually comes with a little puff as well, which I think is kind of odd. And then it has, this is what the packaging looks like. It just has a little sifter with holes in it. So I'm going to kind of shake it up just a little bit. I'm going to take a Morphe highlighting brush. This is the JH09. And then just dip into the tiniest bit of this and put it right on my cheekbones here. Oh my gosh. Do you know what this reminds me of? This honestly reminds me of the Wet n Wild loose highlighter, which is intense. Just going to put a little bit on my nose, just a little boop there. I'm also just going to take a little bit on my finger and put it on the top of my lip. Okay, now I'm going to take the gold one, Glow for Gold, and I'm going to just put a little bit of this on my cheeks as well. Ooh, that is so pretty as well. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder, but it does have like a heavy scent to it. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like almost like baby powder, but just in not such a good way. But these, however, do not have a scent to them at all. Like, I can't smell anything. But I am looking so glowy right now. Holy cow. Okay, I'm going to quickly just put the last one, the pink one, Pink Me Up. I'm just going to put that just ever so slightly underneath my brow bone. Just with my finger here. I am looking insane now, you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this loose powder from Coty and just go over that ever so slightly just to kind of tone down that highlight, because that got intense really quick. Really quick. Okay, now that we're looking better now, I'm going to move on to the lip products. These are the Glowing Lip Gloss from L'Oreal. I got 2 shades. I have 01 Sunday Funday and 03 Tropic Like It's Hot. I'm going to quickly swatch them on the back of my hand for you, just to give you guys an idea of what these look like. And they smell so good too. They smell like candy. So good. So this first one up top here is Sunday Funday, and then this one on the bottom is Tropic Like It's Hot. These look so beautiful as well. These remind me so much of my other favorite lip glosses from L'Oreal. Let me grab them really quick. They remind me of these right here, the Havana Camila Cabello like collab. Don't these look like so similar? The packaging is so similar. The only difference is that these were very limited edition. I don't believe that you can get them anymore. Don't quote me on that. I'm not for sure. But they also came out with 4 different shades of these as well. I was only able to grab 2 of them though. So I'm super excited to have these in my life as well. So I'm just going to apply this one, the Sunday Funday, on my lips. And it's just a super pretty like nude gloss. It's so pretty. And it feels so hydrating on the lips as well. It's not sticky at all. It's just so hydrating. And the last product that I have to share with you guys is this L'Oreal Beach Bay Face and Body Luminizer. This I have tried before. I could not wait to try this, and this is absolutely phenomenal. Dare I say, one of the best body luminizers that I have ever tried so far. It's so pretty. It just leaves your skin looking so like dewy. It doesn't have like any sparkle to it whatsoever. And it feels like you're just putting lotion on your skin. So good. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but no sparkle to it whatsoever. Just a nice, healthy glow, which is what I look for in a body luminizer. Like when I am testing out a body luminizer, I am making sure that the glitter chunks in it are very itty bitty. Like I do not like the chunky effect at all. So plus this feels so nice and hydrating. Like I said before, it dries down super quick. Like a lot of body luminizers and body oils, they usually don't really dry down and they leave you feeling sticky and tacky and they just rub off onto everything. This one does not do that though. So this is one of the only body luminizers that will be on my skin always. Okay, not always, that's a little bit dramatic, but you know, most of the time. Okay, you guys, and that is it for this video. That is all the new products that I have to test out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Doing a lot of fun, different things on there as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye!